Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And I do not know how you like it, but it's the season for some pumpkin spice latte. And this is a pumpkin spice caramel sauce. And this one I have already opened. Look at it. So I will make a cup of coffee with it. Put the right amount of milk. Now we start to blend. It is quite noisy. Please excuse me. And cappuccino, latte macchiato. Okay, we will do this setting. And we will take our lonely spoon box. So pretty. Sorry for the noise. This is, oh, look at it. So pretty. It's a little bit thick. Ooh, I need to get a little bit more than that. Okay, that's it. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Okay, now I will make the espresso. It will be noisy. Oh, perfect timing. So our espresso is good. Now we pour this in. You can stir a little bit. Our neighbor is having a good fun party. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, there is some caramel at the bottom. Now you stir it or not. Oh, look at it. The spoon. Let me taste it. So good. Bon appetito. It's very good. Wow, this is so good. I think this pumpkin spice caramel, I have put quite some spice, so it's very, very, very flavorful. Very, very, very strong. Just a little bit will be good. Thank you very, very much. Oh, look at it. Bon appetito.